Students of class 10, now I will do height and distance. This is the second video. First video I explained everything, what about angle of elevation, what is angle of depression, etc. Now I will do few sums from here. Last three sums I will do 11, 12 and 13. These are the table required. It is given at the end of your book. I have taken the image of that pages. These two pages are there. I will explain the matter. See sum number 11. Two climbers are at the point A and B on a vertical cliff face to an observer C 40 meters from the foot of the cliff on the level ground. A is an angle at an elevation of 48 degree and B of 57 degree. What is the distance between the climbers? So see the sum here. A and B are two climbers. This is the tower and C is 40 meters away from D, and from C is looking towards A. So the angle is 48 degree, and C when looking towards B the angle is 57 degree. We have to find this distance between A and B. So I consider this distance x, and A to D I consider y, meter I have considered. Now see BDC is a right angle triangle and ADC also is a right angle triangle. So after considering this, if I triangle ADC, we can take tan 48 degree equal to y by 40. Tan 48 equal to y by 40 because perpendicular by base. So y equal to tan 48 into 40. Now tan 48 value is this. Let me show you where tan 45 value is. So tan 45 I am showing here, tan 0 1 2 3 here 44. See 48 degree here 1.11. This is the value. See, now you multiply and get the value of y. That means AD distance is y. Now if you take tan 57 degree, that means BDC triangle, then tan 57 degree equal to perpendicular is x plus y by base is 40. That's why it is written perpendicular by base. Now x plus y equal to this into this. Now tan 57 degree value we have to see from table. Tan 57 degree it is here 1.5099. This tan 57 degree. See I put there tan 57. So you have to multiply this with this and this with this. Here one bracket you have to give. Then simplify and get the value of x. And x I considered the distance between the climber A and B. So that is the answer. Now number 12, let us read. A man stands 9 meters away from a flagpole. He observed that the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 28 degree and the angle of depression of the bottom of the pole is 13 degree. Calculate the height of the pole. See, this is the height of the pole and the man is standing there. So when the man is seeing towards the top of the flagpole here, then you have to draw one horizontal line through the person's eye here. Now the angle of elevation is this. I told angle of elevation created below. So the man is looking from here. So that is why here angle of elevation will be created. And the man is looking below here to the ground. So this is angle of depression 13 degree. And according to alternate angle, so this 13 will be equal to this 13. And this is 9 meter. In the question it is given. This is also 9 meters. So because this is a rectangle. Now you can take triangle ABE, that is ABE 28 degree. Tan 28 degree equal to perpendicular AB by base 9. So here you put 9. Then it will be 9 into tan 28 degree. Put the value of tan 28 degree from the table and multiply. You will get the value of AB. This is AB distance. Then you take tan 13 degree here. So tan 13 degree equal to perpendicular ED or BC by base. Base is EB, that is 9. So BC equal to 1013 into EB. EB value 9, so put, and 1013 value put, you will get BC distance. Then if you add AB plus BC, AB and BC will get the height of the pole. Then let us see sum number 13. From the top of a cliff 92 meter high, the angle of depression of a bow is 20 degree. Calculate to the nearest meter the distance of the bow from the foot of the cliff. Here the height is 92 meter, it is told. The distance you see, I consider x meter, and the angle of elevation is 20 degree. It is told angle of depression from here, it is told angle of depression, that means from the top, from A the angle of depression, that is why here 20 degree written, and that is equal to here. Now if you consider ABC triangle, then tan 20 equal to perpendicular 92 by base x, perpendicular by base, so 92 by base, tan 20 degree value I put from the table. Then if you do cross multiplication, then this into x equal to this, then x will go down, do calculation, you will get value of x. So distance is 253 meter. That's all for this video.